आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 5 ऑफ BHU MSc Zoology in Trans Paper 2015. So keep watching this video till in for better preparation. Question number 119. Which law of Mendel is revealed by dihybrid cross? Law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, law of heterosis. So correct answer is option 3. Dihybrid cross is used in law of independent assortment. Question number 120. Which of the following enzyme is used extensively for gene cloning? DNA methylase, DNA topoisomerase, exonucleases, restriction endonucleases. So correct answer is option 4. Restriction endonucleases are extensively used in gene cloning. Question number 121. In which of the following pelvic girdle is made up of single adult plate? Teleost, lungfishes, amphibians, reptiles. So correct answer is option 2. In case of lungfishes, pelvic girdle is made up of single plate. Question number 122. Fibula is absent in alligator, parrot, deer, or porcupine. So correct answer is option 3. Fibula is absent in deer. Question number 123. In perissodactyls, body weight is born on digit 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 4. So correct answer is option 3. इन प्रेसोडक्टाइल जिसमें हॉर्स भी आता है, इनका जो बॉडी वेट है वो बॉर्न या बैलेंस होता है डिजिट नंबर 3 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 124. मस्टॉइड पोर्शन ऑफ एंडोकॉन्ड्रल ओरिजिन इज अ न्यू फीचर ऑफ द सकल ऑफ एम्फीबियन, reptiles, aves, mammals. So correct answer is option 4. मैमल की स्कल के अंदर एक पोर्शन है मैस्टॉइड नाम का, जिसका जो फंक्शन है वो स्टिल अननोन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 125. In which of the following Eurocardates no larval stage is found in their life history? Pyrosomida, Enterogona, Doliolida, Plurogona. So correct answer is option 1. In Pyrosomida, there is no larval stage present. Question number 126. The earliest possible evidence of gnathostomes dates back to Precambrian period, Cambrian period, mid-Ordovician period, or Silurian period. So correct answer is option 3. The evidence of gnathostomes dates back to mid-Ordovician period in Paleozoic era. Gnathostomes are the vertebrates which possesses jaws. Early jawed fishes were also included in gnathostomes, and some fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and birds, they are also included in gnathostomes. Question number 127. Upper culum, a major sound transmitter in middle ear, is the peculiar feature of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds. So correct answer is option 2. अपर क्यूलम जो कि एक साउंड ट्रांसमीटर है मिडल एयर के अंदर, ये मोस्टली फ्रॉग्स के अंदर पाए जाते हैं जो कि क्लास एम्फीबिया से बिलोंग करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 128. The falciform process, an intrusive structure in the vitreous chamber of eye, is found in cyclostomes, teleost, reptiles, birds. So correct answer is option 2. falciform process जो है वो एक स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि विट्रियस चैम्बर ऑफ आई के अंदर बनती है और ये मोस्टली टेलियोस्ट के अंदर पाई जाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 129. Which of the following muscle is ectodermal in origin? Small dorsal muscle that pulls forward the anuran islands, or retractor lentis muscle of teleost islands, or small ventral muscle that pulls forward the amphibians islands, or the protractor muscle attached to the ventral rim of elasmobranch आइलैंड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन 4. ये जो प्रोट्रैक्टर मसल है इलास्मोब्रैंक आइलैंड्स के अंदर, ये क्या है, एक्टोडर्मल इन ओरिजिन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 130. Pleurodentition is found in Elasmobranchs, Teleost, Nectarus or crocodile. So correct answer is option 3. Pleurodont teeth are found in Nectarus or mud puppy. Question number 131. Ampullae of water is found in hepatic duct, pancreatic duct, proximal segment of common duct or terminal segment of common duct. So correct answer is option 4. Ampullae of water is formed by the combination of common bile duct and pancreatic duct, and it is found in the terminal segment of common duct, and it is also known as hepatopancreatic ampullae. Question number 132. In vertebrates, the renal porter system, venous blood supply is not concerned with proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule, glomeruli or loop of Henle. So correct answer is option 3. Question number 133. The primordial germ cells are mesodermal, not the endodermal in origin in teleost, anorons, urodales or apodons. So correct answer is option 3. In case of urodales, the primordial germ cells are mesodermal in origin. Question number 134. Which of the following imply force pumping mechanism to inhale air to the lungs? Amphibia, reptiles, birds, mammals. So correct answer is option 1. Amphibians have force pump mechanisms to inhale air in the lungs. Mostly frogs have this mechanism. Question number 135. In reef and fishes that use air bladder as lung, blood from the air bladder drains into hepatic vein, renal vein, coronary vein or atrium. So correct answer is option 1. In reef and fishes, blood from the air bladder moves into hepatic vein. So correct answer is option 1. Question number 136. Extrosomes are present in protist, echinoderms, mollusk, porifera. So correct answer is option 1. Extrosomes are the organelles which can eject out the body of organism, and they are mostly present in protist. Question number 137. The term orthomitosis refers to the symmetry of spindle fibers that break during cell division, or joining of spindle fiber, or movement of spindle fibers towards the equatorial plate. So correct answer is option 1. The symmetry of spindle fibers is termed as orthomitosis. Question number 138. Bioerosion causes the significant damage to the oysters, chiefly by sponges, Orthonetida or mollusca diatom. So correct answer is option 1. Bioerosion causes damage to the oysters by sponges. Question number 139. The coral bleaching takes place due to stress condition, high temperature, increased salinity of water or lack of nutrient material in the surrounding medium. So correct answer is option 4. कि जब वाटर का टेम्परेचर वार्म होता है, हाई होता है, तो कोरल्स अपने टिश्यूज़ के अंदर से एक एल्गी जूजेंथिली सिक्रेट करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो सारे कोरल्स को वाइट कलर में चेंज कर देती है, जिसको कोरल ब्लीचिंग कहते हैं. और ये मोस्टली लो साल्ट कंसनट्रेशन और हाई टेम्परेचर की वजह से होता है. Question number 140. Cediped larva is example of Ctenophora, Branchiostome, Cycone, jellyfish. So correct answer is option 1. Cediped larva is present in the members of phylum Ctenophora. Question number 141. Midgut enzyme apparently limited to exopeptidase, which is probably account for high rate of digestion of protein, low rate of digestion of protein, high rate of digestion of lipids, low rate of digestion of lipids. So correct answer is option 2. एक्सोपेप्टिडेज सिर्फ आउटर साइड से ही पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करते हैं, इसलिए जो इनका एक्शन है वो क्या है, लो रेट ऑफ डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 142. इन विच एनिमल्स टर्मिनल क्ला इज प्रेजेंट फॉर लोकोमोशन? ओनिकोफोरा, आइकोरस और सिल्वर फिश, लेम्यूल. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. In Onychophora, terminal claw is present for locomotion. Question number 143. Humidity detector in spider is called tarsal organ, pectines, lariforms, or nephrocytes. So correct answer is option 1. Tarsal organ in spider used to detect humidity. Question number 144. The total number of pleomeres in Paleomon is 6, 5, 8, 7. So correct answer is option 1. 6 pleomeres are present in Paleomon. क्वेश्चन नंबर 145. एक्वीफेरस सिस्टम ये प्रिवेंट नहीं है बल्कि प्रेजेंट होगा. एक्वीफेरस सिस्टम प्रेजेंट इन पोरीफेरा, अकाइनोडर्मेटा, प्रोटोजोआ, आर्थ्रोपोडा. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. एक्वीफेरस सिस्टम और वाटर कैनाल सिस्टम इज प्रेजेंट इन पोरीफेरा. Question number 146. In which of the phylum coelom is divided into protocoelom, mesocoelom, and metacoelom? Echinodermata, Coelenterata, Porifera, Mollusca. So correct answer is option 1. In Echinodermata, the coelom is divided into protocoelom, mesocoelom, as well as metacoelom. Question number 147. The mouth part of Mlacophaga is sucking type, piercing type, siphoning type, biting and chewing types. Correct answer is option 4. In Mlacophaga, the mouth part is mostly biting and chewing type. Question number 148. In which larvae condition pre and post ciliated band is present? Trochophore, villager, radial larva, or amphiblastula larva? So correct answer is option 1. In trochophore larva, pre as well as post ciliated bands are present. Question number 149. Polyembryonic condition occurs in Hymenoptera, Diptera, Onychophora, or Hemiptera. So correct answer is option 1. Polyembryony is mostly seen in wasp, which belongs to Hymenoptera order. Question number 150 जो कि आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनिमल 8 कॉम प्लेट्स एंड 2 लॉन्ग टेंटिकल्स आर प्रेजेंट? टीनोफोर, बोर, or hydra, or ringworm? So correct answer is option 1. In ctenophores, 8 comb plates are present and 2 long tentacles are also present.